Hello guys, welcome to my channel Electro Teach, the channel where we teach knowledge of electronics, computer, instrumentation and mathematics. Today we are going to continue on our DC circuits lectures, and we are going to look at resistances in series DC circuits, and we are looking at resistances in series, equivalent of resistors connected in series. So let's look at this simple circuit and see what we have. And that the first one is resistors in series. So when you have resistors in series, you have something like this. This is resistor R1, resistor R2, and resistor R3. When you have resistors connected in this manner, we have series connection, or kind of chain connection. And that ensures that we have the same current passing through the resistances. So the current that moves in, current I, goes through R1, goes through R2, goes through R3, and it comes out here as current I. So there are no two different values of current. The same current passes through the three of them. Now, to know the equivalent of these resistances, now we use this formula. R total in series connection is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now, when we have more than 3, we can put dot 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 to Rn. And that is it. So when we have a series connection of resistances, we sum them up to get the total resistance. It's a summation of all the available resistances in that connection. So for instance, if you have a circuit like this, okay. For instance, if you have a circuit like this, we have resistors connected in this way. R1, R2, R3. We want to determine the current I flowing in this circuit. To determine the current I, we need to know the total resistance in this circuit that is presented to the power supply source, the 12 volts battery that we have here. So the total resistance in this circuit can now be calculated in this way. R total equals R1 plus R2 plus R3. And that gives us, the values are 3 ohms, 4 ohms, and then 2 ohms. So we have 3 plus 4 plus 2, and that gives us 9 ohms. 9 ohms. Now, the total current in the circuit using Ohm's law is, so we can redraw the circuit in this way to determine the total current. This is 12 volts, and this is R total. That is a 9 ohms. That is 9 ohms. So for that reason, using Ohm's law, I equals V over R total. And that gives us 12 divided by 9. So we calculate that 12 divided by 9 gives us the value of the total resistance. 1.33 ampere. That's the total current moving in this circuit. The current goes through the circuit like this. So we could see the equivalent of this circuit is this, whereby we have the 12 volt supply and the equivalent of 3 resistors as RT equals 9 ohms. So in series connection, the same current flows through the resistances, and the resistances will be summed up to give the total resistance. And the total resistance will be presented to the current flowing in that branch of circuit. All right, so that is for series connection.